Jackson here. There's no Jerry today. But today we're going to do some trick shots on that basketball hoop in this neighborhood with this, with that, and don't forget that. This episode is sponsored by the Denver Nuggets and Mr. Pibb. So, enjoy. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yes! Ha ha ha! Spin it, chuck it, enjoy. This time with the football. Spin it, chuck it, make it. Hells yes, man! Push it, chuck it, make it. Holy shit. Yes! Mix up time, mix up time, mix up!